A difficult part with laying down the subfloor is to make sure they conform to the wall. We are working with existing walls. That means some of them are not in the right angle and some of them have a little curve to them. To combat this, we use the easier to cut and lighter foam panel to act as a template. We easily cut the foam panel with an X-Acto knife and then use it as a guide to cut our plywood. Here you can see I'm laying down 2 layers of plywood together as we're going to need them to make up the right thickness for the floor in the bathroom where tiles are going in. The toilet will cover up a lot of the space, so we don't need to be exact with the cut on the toilet flange. Here you see me using a circular saw with an octagon cut to make sure the size is appropriate. The tile requires an uncoupling membrane that is thinner than the underpad on the laminate floor. This means we need to recess the panels inside the bathroom a little bit to allow for this extra thickness to achieve an even, transition-free finish. Here you see I'm using a plunge cut technique to finish the cut and also save the offcut for later use. One of the most satisfying aspects of my job is showing the progress of the homeowner and her young son. The kid really likes to hold on to my tools, and I can't wait for him to enjoy the space.